Okay, wow, I'm just going straight into it again, just like my last restoration video. Hey everyone, it's me, RJ. I'm actually doing an entire separate cleaning video for Icy from my random doll haul back a few weeks ago. This is my first ever Winx Club doll, and yeah, her hair is bad. As you can see, I'm just giving her a scrub down. This video was also very long, like I'm talking 26 minutes without me editing it. So yeah, it's moving pretty quick. But if you're just trying to like figure out what the heck I'm doing, I'm just trying to kind of finger comb through some of her hair. And I'm actually going in with an actual comb now. As I'm recording the audio, the video is like glitching out like crazy. It's weird. But I mean, I'm also using a freaking free editor. But I've already started going in and detangling her hair. It was a long process, genuinely. Like this first clip is uninterrupted before editing it, 17 minutes. Yeah, it was a long clip. Okay, and after the nightmare it has been to detangle this hair, like right at the end. Her hair was so bad. Gosh, I would like to get her rerooted, but let's go ahead and move into boiling her. I'm actually not really good at boil washing, but for her, I was doing it just to try to cut down any and all, like, volumizing frizz in her hair, because there was a lot, and I tried to cut down the end frizz at the end of the video via a different method, but yeah, I did cut out a little bit of this, but that's how it was kind of looking. It was looking a lot better. After a certain point, polypropylene just sucks. Like, if it's not in good condition when you get it, it's dang near impossible to get into good condition. And here I am just boiling her tendrils, and I'm actually trying to fix her bow leg, because her leg is bowed over time. So yeah, I'm just trying to fix that, and I didn't even capture any of that on camera. I'm such a good YouTuber. Oh, there's a little bit where I was trying to unbow her leg. And here I am, flat ironing the poly. I'm just kind of running it over a few times, using a fine-tooth comb, and then just trying to... I don't know what I was explaining here, but there was no audio, so... yeah. Just again, going over flat ironing it, and then chasing it with a comb. It's just kind of the standard, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. Sorry, I'm tired. I did not get a good night's sleep. But yeah, you can't really see any of this either. Oh, spoiler alert, I did not get all of the frizz on her ends gone. She still has quite a bit. I think it's just because I did a dry flat iron and she would need a wet just to really get rid of that frizz. So, yeah. I'm thinking I might go back over it one day and redo it. So... It's actually weeks later, and I forgot to film an outro for this video. Here's Icy, though. I think she's pretty. Her hair's definitely... She's been sitting in the ottoman for weeks, because, like, I don't have a Winx display. I'm not ex-Canadensis. Although her Winx Club collection is really pretty. I like her. I don't know, her tendrils are kind of fucked up from sitting in the ottoman, but I did find her some clothes. I just kind of slapped her in something that kind of was all just black and white. And I appreciate the fact that Jack's Pacific Winx Club can fit G1, Monster High, and Ever After High shoes, because... Sorry. I meant that I could just get her a pair of shoes, and these are from the Wednesday fashion pack. Her bow leg is back, though, so I'm not that excited about that. I really want to reroute her. I think I might just try to hunt down a good color match and do a reroute. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.